Aloha friends, I am Dr. Arnaldo Oliveira. My goals are to prevent disease, expand our health span, and increase wellness and longevity. I want all of us to die young as late as possible. Last week, we learned how to get a younger brain with exercise and learning. Today, I will explain the power of antioxidants for the brain and overall health. For many years, I have discussed the importance of antioxidants for our health span and longevity. A recent study published in the International Journal of Molecular Sciences reveals that antioxidants counteract aging effects. Research has found that these compounds can reverse age-related decline by targeting oxidative stress, a key contributor to aging and diseases. Oxidative stress results from an imbalance between antioxidants and harmful free radicals, leading to cellular damage, inflammation, accelerated aging, and disease. Antioxidant supplementation can restore this balance, neutralizing free radicals and improving cellular health. Scientific experiments showed significant enhancements in cognitive performance, muscle strength, and overall vitality with antioxidant supplementation. Research also discovered that antioxidants reduce cellular aging by promoting cellular repair and regeneration. Also, antioxidants extend longevity and health span. This study, among many others, highlights new possibilities for combating age-related decline and promoting healthy aging, indicating that antioxidants can be powerful tools in the fight against aging and age-related diseases. Another comprehensive analysis shows the critical role of nutritional supplementation in maintaining cognitive health, especially as we age. Vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, dietary polyphenols, carotenoids, and omega-3s are essential for enhancing brain function and overall health. These nutrients combat free radicals, a major factor in age-related cognitive and health decline. Individualized supplementation strategies are critical, taking into account factors such as skin carotenoid score, stress, health issues, lifestyle, and diet. A holistic and personalized approach combining diet, lifestyle, and eliminating diseases and environmental toxins is essential for healthy aging and longevity. Balanced diets like the Mediterranean diet, regular physical activity, cognitive training, and lifestyle modifications. Regular checks of health indicators such as blood pressure, blood sugar, and gut health are also important. As a physician, I base my recommendations on individual health and nutritional needs, ensuring a comprehensive and individualized approach to disease prevention, quality of life, health span, and longevity. The future of healthy longevity medicine lies in this multifaceted strategy, promoting a longer, healthier, more fulfilling, and joyful life. Get your skin carotenoid score today. Start a personalized health program. Live a healthier, happier, and longer life. I am Dr. Arnaldo Oliveira. Give me a like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.